your life. It is this Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So go ahead and check it out and see how I do my hair at home and get a salon quality blowout with the great amount of volume that we are all looking for. And there you have it. This Revlon one-step hair dryer and volumizer is a total game changer.
Hair brush, 3-in-1 negative ion hair straightener brush. Perfect for dry hair as well as wet hair. It's good for all hair types. It's very easy to use. It has 3 adjustable heat levels for different hair types. High heat for thick hair, low heat for fine hair. It has very flexible settings for gorgeous hair every day in only a few minutes.
Say goodbye to hair day. Introducing the Tymo Hair Straightening Comb. Turn it on. Pick from one of the 5 heat settings. Heats up from 260 to 410 degrees. It works with all different hair types. It's so quick and easy to use. It detangles and straightens all at once. Look how smooth and silky hair is getting with the 25 ceramic heating plates. You can straighten large portions of your hair all at once, and even add a flip or a wave. One product that can straighten and add volume. Amazing! The best part? The unique design protects your scalps and hands from getting burned. The 360-degree swivel cord makes styling easier.